Hesi A2 vocabulary practice test. Question 1. Select the meaning. In children with high fevers, the use of aspirin is contraindicated. Banned. Inadvisable. Anticipated. Expedient. Contraindicated means inadvisable or medically discouraged. Banned is legally prohibited, anticipated is expected, expedient is convenient. Only inadvisable matches. Question 2. Physicians use patch tests to establish the specific causes of contact dermatitis. Launch. Introduce. Endorse. Determine. Establish means to determine or confirm. Launch starts, introduce brings in, endorse supports. Only determine fits the investigative meaning. Question 3. Contact dermatitis occurs through the sense of underscore 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 underscore. Smell. Taste. Touch. Sight. Contact dermatitis requires touch, skin contact. Smell is nose, taste is tongue, sight is eyes. Only touch is correct. Question 4. A UTI is likely to involve the underscore 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 underscore. Bones. Throat. Stomach. Bladder. UTI, urinary tract infection, involves the bladder. Bones are skeletal, throat is respiratory, stomach is digestive. Only bladder is correct. Question 5. Treatment is projected to last 3 months or more. Protruded. Guaranteed. Estimated. Alleged. Projected means estimated or forecast. Protruded sticks out, guaranteed is certain, alleged is unproven. Only estimated fits. Question 6. To cauterize a wound is to underscore 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 underscore. Soothe it. Cover it. Stitch it. Burn it. Cauterize means to burn tissue. Soothe calms, cover protects, stitch sews. Only burn it is correct. Question 7. A patient who is heedless is underscore 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 underscore. Unlucky. Careless. No longer in care. Hard of hearing. Heedless means careless or inattentive. Unlucky is bad fortune, no longer in care is discharged, hard of hearing is deaf. Only careless matches. Question 8. When directions are convoluted, what is wrong with them? They are erroneous. They are incomplete. They are confusing. They are unethical. Convoluted means overly complex and confusing. Erroneous is wrong, incomplete is missing parts, unethical is immoral. Only confusing fits. Question 9. Children not adequately responding to 55 micrograms may use 110 micrograms once daily. Without delay. Willingly. Satisfactorily. Expectantly. Adequately means satisfactorily or sufficiently. Without delay is immediately, willingly is voluntarily, expectantly is hopefully. Only satisfactorily matches. Question 10. Select the meaning. The chemicals in plastic containers may be deleterious to children's health. Harmful. Deleting. Delightful. Inoffensive. Deleterious means harmful. Deleting is erasing, delightful is pleasing, inoffensive is harmless. Only harmful is correct. Question 11. What is another word for deferentially? Imperfectly, respectfully, competently, energetically. Deferentially means respectfully. Imperfectly is flawed, competently is skilled, energetically is lively. Only respectfully fits. Question 12. What is the meaning of perused? Passed judgment on. Engaged in. Read thoroughly. Took notes about. Perused means read thoroughly. Passed judgment evaluated, engaged and participated, took notes recorded. Only read thoroughly is correct. Question 13. A blood vessel that is distended is underscore 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 underscore. Overturned. Swollen. Twisted. Overlong. Distended means swollen or expanded. Overturned is flipped, twisted is rotated, overlong is too long. Only swollen matches. Question 14. Something that is viscous is thick and sticky. Another word for this might be underscore 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 underscore. Fluid. Molten. Gelatinous. Malleable. Viscous means thick and sticky like gelatin. Fluid flows easily, molten is melted, malleable is bendable. Only gelatinous matches. Question 15. An overt symptom is underscore 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 underscore. Dangerous. Hidden. Obvious. Controlled. Overt means obvious or clearly visible. Dangerous is risky, hidden is opposite, controlled is managed. Only obvious fits. Question 16. What is another word for toxin? Impurity. Element. Remedy. Poison. Toxin means poison produced by living organisms. Impurity is contaminant, element is basic substance, remedy is cure. Only poison matches. Question 17. Select the meaning. The pain of childbirth may often be acute. Escalating. Emergent. Eased. Intense. Acute pain means intense or severe. Escalating increases over time, emergent arises suddenly, eased is reduced. Only intense matches. Question 18. Select the meaning. We will do more tests, as the data so far are inconclusive. Unsettled. Convincing. Unfavorable. Bewildering. Inconclusive means unsettled or not definitive. Convincing is persuasive, unfavorable is negative, bewildering is confusing. Only unsettled fits. Question 19. Which word names an infected swelling with liquid inside? Blast. Gash. Hive. Boil. A boil is an infected, pus-filled swelling. Blast is explosion, gash is cut, hive is allergic welt. Only boil is correct. Question 20. What is another word for asymmetric? Proportionate. Impartial. Uneven. Magnified. Asymmetric means uneven or not symmetrical. Proportionate is balanced, impartial is unbiased, magnified is enlarged. Only uneven matches.